Honorable Alpha Sesay, plenty controversy sometimes they on. As soon as you mention constitution and constitutional review, you feel like you invite a new energy in the room. I want to let you explain to we the journey of the constitutional review process. Usa we come out, Usa we there now.
Make we take a step back and see Usa this process has to start. This process actually go as far back as the Lome Peace Agreement in 1999. When we signed as a country, when the government signed a peace agreement with the RAF rebels. After that, waiting we been get now that the late President Kaba immediately take step for set up a constitutional review committee where we've been called the Peter Tucker Constitutional Review Committee. And so the Peter Tucker Committee indeed submit in report to former President Nkrumah. But then, former President Nkrumah been take another step. Say no. It's necessary for set up another committee or a new committee where go undertake wider consultations for review the constitution, but also go review the report where the Peter Tucker Committee been done submit. And so, as the minister say, now so we get the Justice Kawan Constitutional Review Committee. When President Bio got elected in 2018, he make a commitment, say he want for complete this constitutional review process. But the way President Bio will look at him in 2018, he say could pick him up from Musa who left in 2017. We don't put a lot of resources into constitutional review process. Instead of setting up a new committee, some people go say, oh, a new government can set up a new committee. No, instead of doing that, President Bio say, make we go back to the report with the Justice Kawan Committee submit to former President Nkrumah in 2017. And then make we use that for take this process to completion.
When do we move from Musa Ude now to say, okay, we don't revise with constitution?
So two things. One, we get in the constitution, we get what we call non-entrenched provisions. Then we get what we call entrenched provisions. Okay. The non-entrenched provisions, then one in a things and way, when government propose amendment, Parliament can vote.
And then pass them.
And then pass and they go debate because Parliament are we representatives.
Yeah.
But when it come, if you touch the entrenched provisions, then you get to go to referendum for make the people cast their votes and say we agree or we disagree. So right now, the SIFTA, the non-entrenched and from entrenched provisions,
okay.
We get a calendar of
so
events.
So they the technical instrument then for say who's one of the entrenched one, then who's one of the non-entrenched one. Then.
Exactly, and that's all we will make the public know that. We will roll all that to the public, but also as part of the next steps, we get for engage key constituents so that we bring everybody along in this process, political parties, civil society, traditional leaders. So,
Minister, will expect referendum at some point?
Yes.
As part of this process?
Yes, I would say so. An authoritative yes. Say one, we will expect the non-entrenched provisions for go to Parliament very soon. We say parliamentarians go vote. We can communicate on our views through elected representatives. But yes, we will make sure we provide sufficient notice to the public. Say we will have a referendum on the provisions when are the entrenched provisions
and then one day before a referendum we will get open, clear public debates, some of which we go host. Forget all the sides then for can talk about and inform the people and say, okay, now this option, where you go for go vote, now this you get for vote. So that they get for be a clear process as well.
Very correct.